and welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 26th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Analog Devices, a global leader in the semiconductor industry. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Analog Devices has just released their fourth quarter and fiscal year 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue figures to strategic investments and future outlooks.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Analog Devices reported a fourth quarter revenue of $2.4 billion, which is above the midpoint of their guidance. For the full fiscal year 2024, they achieved $9.4 billion in revenue. John, how does this performance reflect on their profitability?
Despite a challenging year with a 23% decline in annual revenue, Analog Devices maintained a robust operating margin of 23.3% in Q4 and 21.6% for the full year. Their adjusted earnings per share came in at $1.67, surpassing the forecasted $1.63, which highlights their strong operational efficiencies and cost management.
Cash flow and shareholder returns. Moving on to cash flow, Analog Devices generated $3.9 billion in operating cash flow and $3.1 billion in free cash flow for fiscal 2024. They also returned $2.4 billion to shareholders. Can you elaborate on these figures, John?
Absolutely. The company has demonstrated strong cash generation capabilities, with 41% of their revenue translating into operating cash flow. They returned a significant portion of this to shareholders through $1.8 billion in dividends and $0.6 billion in share repurchases, reflecting their commitment to shareholder value.
Strategic investments and market outlook. Analog Devices has been making strategic investments in engineering and manufacturing. How do these investments position them for the future, especially with their outlook for fiscal 2025?
These investments are crucial for long-term growth, particularly in enhancing their capabilities in the automotive sector, which saw a strong pickup in orders during Q4. While they remain cautiously optimistic for fiscal 2025, they forecast a Q1 revenue of $2.35 billion, indicating a potential recovery and growth trajectory.
CFO Insights. Let's discuss the insights from the leadership team. CEO Vincent Roche emphasized the resilience of their business model. What are your thoughts on his statement?
Vincent Roche highlighted that despite unprecedented customer inventory headwinds, Analog Devices maintained strong operating margins, which speaks volumes about their business model's resilience. CFO Richard Puccio also expressed cautious optimism for fiscal 2025, focusing on strategic long-term investments that position the company well for future growth.
EPS forecast and analyst consensus. John, let's talk about the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.63, but Analog Devices reported an adjusted EPS of $1.67. How significant is this beat?
This is a notable beat, exceeding the forecast by $0.04. It reflects the company's ability to manage costs effectively and optimize their operations, even in a challenging market environment. The consensus from 10 analysts underscores the market's confidence in Analog Devices' financial health and strategic direction.
Key takeaways. In summary, Analog Devices has shown resilience in a tough fiscal year 2024, with strong cash flow and shareholder returns. Their strategic investments and optimistic outlook for fiscal 2025 position them well for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Analog Devices' performance and prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Analog Devices' performance in the comments below.